Ever wondered how to bring your digital characters to life with just a few clicks?
Let's dive right in. First, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for our avatar. Copy the prompt, and then we'll head over to Leonardo AI to bring our avatar to life. With a free account, you'll get 150 credits daily, but feel free to upgrade using my referral link in my description box to support me. Thanks. Click on Image Creation. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Select your preset. Contrast and image dimensions. I'll be using 16:9 for this tutorial. Select the number of images you want it to generate, but for this tutorial, I will leave it at 4. Then, click Generate and wait for the magic to happen. Once the image is ready, you can select from the generated options, or click Generate again if you're not satisfied. When it's done, click on Download. Next, we'll use Gen to create our talking avatar. Don't worry, they offer a free account to get you started. You can upgrade using my referral link in the description box if you need more features. Click on AI Studio. Click on Create with AI Studio. Choose your format, landscape or portrait. Click Photo Avatar and upload the image you downloaded from Leonardo AI. Drag the image to the timeline. Without wasting much of your time, let's do some quick adjustments. Choose your audio options. I'll be using a script. I've got a script on my notepad, but you can ask ChatGPT for yours. And select your preferred voice. Adjust the speed to your liking. Then click Submit. And wait for the conversion. Mind you, your video shouldn't be longer than 30 seconds, else it will not submit. Confirm submission by clicking Submit. And we're done. Our video is ready for download, but wait, there's a watermark. No worries, I've got you covered. Check out my previous video on removing watermarks, linked in the description box. Let's download our original video and celebrate our creation.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got something to say? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.